Barney sing along? I sure am. Me too. Barney, what are we gonna do next?
Oh, I've got lots more surprises in store for you.
What kind of surprises?
Well, let's see.
Barney, I know something that will be a really fun surprise.
That's a really good idea.
What is it? What is it? Well, I'll give you a hint. It's something fun you do in the forest. Go hiking? That's close. I'll give you another hint. Sometimes you even get to sleep under a tree. I know. You're talking about camping. That's right.
Oh, this will be so much fun. Now, are all my campers ready?
Ready?
Well, let's go camping.
That's weird. Nothing happened.
Maybe something special did happen.
What do you mean?
Well, campouts happen outdoors.
Let's check the playground.
Good idea.
Look, a tent. We're going camping. Come on. Oh, let's go, guys. March, march, march.
A camping we will go. A camping we will go. We're marching into Barney's tent. A camping we will go. Yeah. A camping we will go. A camping we will go.